Hello, everyone. I'm Vastav Anand, and I'm a first year PhD student at Max Planck Institute for Software Systems. And today I'm going to talk to you about my work, MIllenial. Microservice applications have become increasingly common at large companies such as Uber, Twitter, and Facebook, amongst many more. Microservice applications are distributed and heterogeneous in nature. Due to this, they're scalable, easy to deploy, and easy to manage. Consequently, they're a rich source of phenomena that are interesting to researchers. Such phenomena include queuing effects, network hotspots, request fan in fan out, amongst many more. Researchers thrive on such phenomena for producing invaluable research. This is because these phenomena are sources of potential problems that require fixing and pose interesting research questions that are relevant to the industry. In essence, these phenomena allow researchers to do potentially high impact research work. However, good research around these phenomena is largely dependent on accessibility to realistic microservice systems. It is hard to achieve sufficient end to end evaluation without having access to these systems, which is a key requirement for achieving scientific rigor and earning the trust of the community. But it is difficult for researchers to get access to these systems at large companies. Thus, researchers must rely on open source microservice systems and microservice benchmarks for experimentation. However, these systems do not have the same properties as realistic systems and do not provide features that are common to real microservice systems, such as observability and replication. But the main issue with these benchmarks and systems is that they're fixed point systems which are not designed to be configurable, but just simply represent one particular implementation of a system. So the question arises as to how to make a microservices benchmark that is configurable and extensible so that new features can be easily added and enabled without requiring a lot of work. We propose that the key to achieving these goals is to move away from concrete point solutions and center a benchmark design on flexibility. Based on our observations of existing microservice benchmarks, we identified three key axes. First, abstracting the high level application logic of a benchmark from concrete component implementations. Second, having an extensible and modular feature set. And third, enabling reuse of components and features across different applications and configurations. Together, these point to a design based on generating runnable systems from high level system specifications. We are currently building MIllenial, a modular, extensible framework for specifying and generating microservice benchmarks. MIllenial takes as input an application specification and the corresponding component and deployment choices, and generates as output a runnable system configured with the desired choices. We have been successfully able to use MIllenial to reproduce and replicate a microservice system from an existing microservice benchmark. And we are currently working towards making MIllenial available for widespread use by the community.